How to delete vehicle in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete your vehicle in Uber. Now the process is quite simple and easy. Simply open up your Uber app here and make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete the vehicle from. Now here, once you open up Uber app, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is tap on the account option at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on account option, and once an account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the first option there. You can see help option. Tap on help option and you'll be headed into new page here. Now once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on I need to contact support option. Now since I contacted it before, you can see it's showing up below there. I contacted it 56 seconds ago, but here if you don't find it here, what you want to do is you want to head into the account option, and once an account option, you at the very bottom you can see the option I need to contact support. It'll be at the second last above the I think my account has been hacked option. Simply tap on I need to contact support here, and what you want to do is here you'll be able to submit a request. Simply type in your account name here, and then what you want to do is you want to enter your phone number here. I'll just select my country first, and then I'll enter in my phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, what you want to do is you want to enable this account and payment issues option since it's one of it. And here on this details about your issue, simply type in I want to delete my vehicle. You can type in your license number and you can type in your vehicle details that has been added on your Uber here, and once you do this, simply tap on submit and it'll be submitted. You can see here, and once Uber verifies your message, they'll get back to you within 48 to 72 hours and you'll be able to go through the process to delete your vehicle. So this way you can delete your vehicle in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.